Hey guys, this is your girl B and welcome to my channel. I'm here with a quick tutorial on how to do a ninja bun my way. My hair is washed and I'm using some main choice, and the gel that I'm using to put my hair in a ponytail is Eco Styler gel. Right now I'm putting my hair in a ponytail in a little bun. I ran through this video because I know everyone should know how to put their hair in a ponytail. So here we have some expression hair, and expression braiding hair are the longer versions of braiding hair, period. You split the hair in two and then you twist one of them. You keep one out and you twist one until you make a complete bun. So I'm going around in a circle. As I'm going around, I'm twisting the hair. I call this my $5 hairdo, which is probably under $10, but considered under $10 because, you know, just in case you don't have your gel, you still gotta buy your gel and all that. But I do call it my $5 hairdo, and it does the job because you still will look nice and jazzy for $5. And you can do it yourself. Anyone can. I don't care if no one can do hair. You can do this yourself. So right now I'm twisting my hair. And as I'm twisting and I'm rolling the hair around, I'm securing it. So as I'm securing it, I'm pulling it, and it's giving my ponytail extra height. The bun is going higher and higher. So you're gonna twist this until you're complete. And when I say with the braiding hair, when you open up the pack, you always pull strings out of the end of the hair so you can have a stringy end. I got a little boo-boo. And another thing too, with my buns, I do not like my buns to look uniformed and perfect. I want each roll to look small, medium, big, large. I just don't like a uniform bun. It has a tendency to look like a clip-on, you know, from the beauty supply store. Yes, there's a little boo-boo there, but that's nothing you cannot fix at all. And I think uniform buns are pretty and neat, but messy is also pretty as well. So with the ends, you see it's so stringy. With the ends, you're gonna pull it and wrap it around until you're completely done. And this hairstyle, to me, the way I'm putting it in, it does not need no rubber bands. It doesn't need no hairpins at all. That bun will not go nowhere. I sleep with it and everything. You see me laughing? Yes, I'm FaceTiming my sister-in-law. We talk every day at a certain time. And yeah, she's giving me the tea. But now, see, it still looks good, and I'm not even done yet. So right now, like I said, I do not like uniform buns, so I'm twisting this across and rolling from below. And anyone can do this. Teens, middle schoolers, y'all can do this. I know, it's not all the time that you can go to the hair salon and get your hair done. And there's always quick and easy, cheap hair styles you can do yourself and still look nice and elegant for just a couple dollars. You see, I love my messy bun. So you're gonna do this. You're gonna do the same thing, pull. See, it's getting higher and higher. And really, you're supposed to, it's supposed to be twisted tighter as you roll, but no. love messy, and I want it to look like mine, like like it belongs to me. And this, you don't have to add no spritz. You know, spritz have a tendency to make your hair look plastic. So you don't have to add no spritz, you know. If you have a little gel for your little flyaways, you could put gel on it. Just a little rub it in a circular motion and have the gel laid down, or you can cut it. Or pull them out like I'm doing right now. Right now I'm just getting my edges slicked down. I'm not adding baby hair. I'm not really a big fan on baby hair because I think they really don't look good on my head. I got a big forehead, so yes. So right now, you see what I'm doing in a circular motion? I hope you guys enjoy my little tutorial. Hit the subscribe button below, and thank you for watching.